This is Shy, and we're going to do a science experiment to see if Shy can taste colors. First, we have to blindfold you.
I cannot see anything.
Okay, you officially cannot see anything. Now, here's what we're going to do. We're going to do this 10 times.
What?
We're going to put these, 10 times. Your tongue's going to get black.
Great.
So we have blue, red, yellow, and green. And I'm going to put one drop on your tongue. And then I'm going to put it back and mix it up again. So every time you have exactly the same chance because I'm not going to look, okay? Mm-hmm. So you could get red 6 times in a row. I mean, we don't know, okay?
Okay.
Of course, the camera will see it, but you will not, okay? So I'm going to mix and take one. And you can't see, right?
No, I cannot.
This is the color, just so the camera can see. And open your tongue. Rotate your tongue out, okay? And here's drop number 1 is come put your tongue out. 3, 2, 1, drop. Oh boy, okay, that's enough, okay. That is color number 1.
Yeah.
And you will tell me what color it is.
Yellow.
Yellow. He guesses yellow. Now, I'm going to mix them up again, and there's going to be again a quarter chance for any of these. I have no idea what it's going to be. And this is color number 2 right here.
Should I?
Okay, put out your tongue, and 3, 2, 1, okay. That is color number 2. Goes back in the bin. See if you can taste this color. What does that color taste like?
Red.
Red. He guesses red. Okay, it goes back in, so it could be any one of these 4 again. And we'll take one out. Here, this is color number 3.
Green.
Green. Okay. Here is the 4th color. Color number 4. And Micah's not here to screw it up. So, yeah, put out your tongue. 3, 2, 1. And there you go. That is the 4th one.
Green again.
Green again, sure. 5th color. Here we go. Randomly drawn, 1, 2, 3, and there. He'll die of food color poisoning. Okay.
Blue.
This is number 5. You're guessing?
Blue.
Blue. Is number 6. Number 6, put your tongue out. 3, 2, 1. Okay. And number 6 is what color?
Blue.
7. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Number 7. What color would that be?
It's green or yellow. I think yellow.
Yellow. Number 8. Okay. Put it your tongue. 3, 2, 1, and got it. Okay. Number 8.
Green.
Green, he said. Number 9. Here you go. 3, 2, 1, and there you go. What's that?
Yellow.
Yellow. And the last one, that's the 10th color. And here goes the 10th drop. 3, 2, 1, drop. And the last one, what do you say, sir?
Red.
Red. Did it taste different?
A bit.
It was different.
Oh.
All right, now we can take off we can reveal your identity. Now randomly, I chose, and this really was the random, yellow, blue, yellow, blue, yellow, yellow, blue, yellow, blue, and then green at the end. Never got a red. And this is absolutely random. And you got 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. You got 0 out of 10. Oh, no, you got 1. You got the first one, yellow.
Oh.
So you got 1 out of 10, which means we've scientifically discovered that it's very likely that you cannot taste
Food coloring.
food coloring sold by Safeway under the Signature brand. That's all we know. We don't know more. There could be other food coloring that you could taste. Do you think there's any skill in choosing colors by taste?
Don't think so.
Don't think you could. If we tried this 100 times, could you get better?
Probably not.
Now, here's a question. What if every time I gave you a taste and then you guessed, I told you the color right there so you could associate? Do you think you could improve the skill then? Or is it just too hard because they just don't really have an individual taste?
It's pretty hard because they're all really similar.
They're all really similar.
Really similar.
Okay, that's our report today from Scientific Studios, and we'll be back with more science experiments
From the lab.
from the lab.